welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Sorry for the very strange start. I am using a portable fan to dry my dress. As soon as I put this dress on, I picked up Jasper. He vomited on me. I'm wearing like the lightest, loosest dress that I could possibly wear today because it's 30 degrees. I've just got back from Turkey. We had such an amazing time as a family. It was just so nice to like spend time all together. It was so nice just seeing how much Oren flourished in like a new environment. Going away really reminds me that it's so important to like do new things in life and try new things and have new experiences, and I really found that Oren just absolutely flourished, and his swimming has got amazing, his ability to like speak to new people, amazing watching that, and I'm just so proud of him. So that was probably my favourite part. But yeah, we had a really lovely holiday, stayed at an all-inclusive. I did upload some stuff on Instagram, so if you want to see that, go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, so we stayed at an all-inclusive. We had a really amazing time as a family and just had such a lovely time, and now we're home, back to reality. It's nice coming back to a home that we love though. So obviously last time we went on holiday we were in our old house, and we sort of came back and I was a bit like, oh, I just really want to move house, but it's nice coming back to a home we love. There's lots and lots to do though. Unfortunately the garden, the vegetables and stuff that I've been growing, I think have all died. I'm really gutted about it, to be honest. They just needed a lot of watering, and it was really hot when we were away, so yeah, they died or they've shot to flower. Maybe if people can give me advice on how to like get them back going, but yeah, I'm really gutted about it because it's like June. No, it's July. Probably a bit too late to start growing those summer vegetables now, but I've got some winter vegetables on the go. But yeah, I would love some advice later in the video. How are you all? I've missed uploading, haven't uploaded for a couple of weeks, so it's nice to upload today. So I've come from 30 plus degrees in Turkey, but 30 plus degrees in the UK is just, it's not doing it for me. It's just a little bit different when it's in the UK because we are in carpeted houses. There's no aircon, there's no unlimited drinks on tap. There's no swimming pools in our back garden. Well, there isn't in my garden anyway. And yeah, it's just a little bit too hot. So we're just gonna survive today. I do need to pop to Aldi because there's a few bits I need to get. I did a real mum hack where I made a delivery. I made an order on Ocado and had it delivered on a few hours after we arrived back home. So that was really good. So I've got the majority of things in. Tonight's dinner, I'm not cooking. I'm going to try and make a non-cooked dinner. So I'm going to have like chicken salad. We've got chicken left over from yesterday's dinner, and I'm just going to make a chicken salad, a chicken Caesar salad or something like that. Maybe homemade croutons. I'm going to bring my little ones to Aldi in a minute. And then the rest of the day I'm going to sort out a bit of stuff of the garden, and we're also going to just survive in the shade with the sprinkler on outside and bits like that.
Listen up.
Flower violet green, lily of the valley on my knees. All the things I left behind, save this little.
Okay, we got back from Aldi. There was some really cool stuff in today, like lots of new bits. Just popped to Aldi, they had lots of new stuff in. I just had to do an emergency bowl of shreddies. Someone was hungry. Okay, I'll just quickly show you what we got. We just got a random amount of stuff because, as I said, I did get a shop from Ocado. And shreddies. I didn't show you my shop from Ocado because we had literally just got home we had like no sleep and we were too tired. But as I said, we cooked chicken yesterday, and so we've got lots of chicken in the fridge. So tonight I thought we could have like a chicken salad with some like croutons and just minimal cooking in 30+ degrees heat in the UK. But I got some bits that I know we needed. So I got 2 loads of the naan garlic garlic and coriander naan. I've got just apples because I thought I could stir this into like his something, so like sweet potato, I don't know.
Good on the tummy.
Good on the tummy, and he is a little bit needing some fibre and sugar and stuff. I got some of these. I always get like some sort of treat like this, like an ultra processed treat for Oren's lunch boxes for Forest School. Big bag of red onions, big bag of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, because we had sweet potatoes fries yesterday, and yeah, they're just really good, and Jasper really liked them as one of his first foods, so I got some more. I got some yogurt raisins for lunch boxes. We've got 3 weeks left, or 2.5 or 3, I don't know, weeks left of Forest School, and I just want things to be super easy. So I'm putting loads of like stuff I normally wouldn't put in, I'm just putting in, okay? I'm not going to stress about it. I've got this Special Buys magazine, which I love looking through. I just love looking through it. Got extra virgin olive oil. Got some more butter, because we always need butter in this house. Got some cheese strings. Got 2 boxes of banana pouches, because we love to have Greek yogurt with banana pouches mixed in. Just homemade banana yogurt, that's all it is. I have mini royal potatoes. They're in season and they will be really nice just to maybe fry up or something like that. I got some satay chicken for snacking purposes. Tins of beans, because we had no tins of beans after holiday, and beans are like the ultimate when you get back home. You really, well, I do, I really fancy like beans on toast and like comfort food, although it's too hot for that right now. I got this quiche because it sounded and looks lovely. Sun blush, tomato, feta and oregano. We have some orange juice. We have, oh yeah, so I picked up myself a new water bottle.
This month's water bottle.
This month's water bottle, exactly. That's why I picked it up from Aldi, because it was £6.99, and instead of spending £40+ on all these insulated water bottles that I just love to have, but I keep breaking them because I'm always dropping them and breaking them. It's driving me nuts. So I've been using like this flask for ages, which the lid leaks, so I have to be really careful with it. And I thought, you know what, if I keep breaking water bottles, let's buy a cheap one. £6.99, it's insulated, it looks nice, and it will keep my water cold. So that's why I thought, instead of spending £40, I can spend £6, and hopefully, I bet this one will last for years. I bet this one won't break. I got some bleach because we need to sort the toilet out upstairs. I got some ketchup. We need to do some rice, so I got some rice. So this is new, specially selected, naturally brewed soy sauce. So soy sauce can be an ultra processed food. If you actually look at the ingredients of like the more affordable, cheaper ones, they can have lots of things in that are unnecessary. Whereas this soy sauce is literally water, soya beans, wheat and salt, and it's naturally fermented, I suppose, naturally brewed. So it sounds like it's going to be really nice. I thought we could try that this week. If it wasn't so hot, I would be tempted for like a chicken stir fry tonight. But I just don't think anyone should be standing near an oven today. Got some lettuce for our chicken salad. We also have some homegrown cabbage as well from my mum's allotment, which we can put in our dinner. Got some muesli, some demerara sugar, because I'm going to try and make a gooseberry crumble. Okay, I'm going to pop this stuff away now. Okay, Jasper is down for a nap. Been to Aldi, I put this stuff away. Oren's had lots of lunch. He's eating so much at the moment. I really think he's growing. Oren and Lawrence are just in the garden at the moment. They were setting up a new compost bin. We've got this really cool new compost bin. It was for Lawrence's birthday, and it's going to turn our compost and our garden waste into compost within 30 days. It's called a hot composter. So it's really good for like the environment and your ground and things like that. So I'm really excited. I can show you that if you like. But whilst Jasper's asleep, I'm not going to set myself too many tasks just because there's so much to do and I don't think he's going to be asleep for very long. Go outside and I'm going to pick the gooseberries because I definitely think they're ready, and I really want to make a gooseberry crumble. We've got vanilla ice cream in the freezer. It's Lawrence's birthday, and although we celebrated it at the weekend just after we were back from holiday, we sort of got back from holiday and then we celebrated his birthday straight away. So although we've celebrated it already, I want to make like him a nice crumble for tonight, and it's gooseberries from our garden, so that's really exciting. So let's go pick some gooseberries. I'm going to grab my gloves.
Rustling leaves, just like in my childhood dreams. You're as delicate as a leaf. You don't know what you mean to me.
It feels like turkey outside. It feels that warm. But I've just got pretty much all of the gooseberries, or most of them. The bugs everywhere. But I've just put some bicarb of soda on them and I'm going to soak them in water, and that will get them nice and clean, and then we can cook them with a bit of sugar just to sweeten them and turn them into a crumble. Hello mate, I can see you. There you go. Assembled. It's still quite early in the day, so I'm actually going to put it in the outdoor fridge and we'll just bake it. I'm going to use the twin air fryer to bake it because I've been baking in there, and honestly it's so good for baking. So yeah, I'm going to pop it in the fridge now. Okay, the only thing, Alexa, pause. The only thing we can possibly eat today, as I said, is salad. It's actually disgustingly hot. I have to say, the mini portable fans, the best invention, but like the best thing you can buy because they're so powerful and you can have them right next to you. Anyway, I'm going to, so the crumble is in the fridge. I'm going to put that in the oven in a minute actually, because we're going to have dinner soonish. So I'm going to bake it in the air fryer, but I'm going to make some croutons. Croutons, super duper simple. Olive oil and old stale bread. Lawrence made this focaccia a few weeks ago and we had some left over in the freezer, so we've got it out of the freezer. I'm going to cut it, chop it up into square chunks and roast, or just quickly whiz it in the air fryer or the oven with some olive oil, and that will be croutons for the salad. And then Lawrence like seriously cooked some bacon, like that looks like Frazzles, the crisps. Seriously cooked some bacon for our to crumble into bacon crumble for the salad. So yeah, croutons, bacon. We've got some cucumber and tomatoes with salt and pepper on. We have chicken from yesterday, lettuce leaves washing, and olive bread and things like that.
Casual high five.
I feel like you're not going to believe me when I say this, but this is homemade salad dressing. But it looks like it's been bought from the shop and the label's been taken off. The lighting is so weird in here at this time of day. But Lawrence made this. He used an old Worcester sauce bottle, and it's Caesar salad. It's got Dijon mustard, honey, vinegar, stuff like that. But yeah, we're going to pour it over the salad with some shavings, that smells unreal, with some shavings of parmesan, and mix in the chicken and stuff. I'm very excited. Then yeah, I'm recording on my phone, so I have to talk really loud because it's really quiet.
Alexa, stop.
But I'm just about to put the crumble in. We're just about to enjoy our chicken salad. I'm just about to put the crumble in the air fryer. Okay, that is the chicken Caesar salad finished. So we're going to enjoy this now whilst we wait for our crumble.